In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get cheap Ryanair flights. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna teach you how to do this process through the Ryanair website, but you can do this through the Ryanair mobile app if you prefer. When you use the Ryanair flight search function and you include all the criteria that you wish for your flight, you will be taken to its result page. In here is where you can start saving up money on your next flight. First of all, if you are flexible, this helps because you will be able to choose a flight that is not as expensive. As you can see, you can compare the dates and find the specific dates in which the flight you are looking for is less expensive. As you can see, if I were to book this flight on the 6th of July, I would pay almost £19, but if I book it on Tuesday, I will be able to save 3. So all you have to do is look for the cheapest flight possible using the date selector over here if you are flexible. And after you select a flight through the list, make sure you opt for the value flight if you want to save the most amount of money possible. Alternatively, you can opt in for a regular flight if you are willing to. So as you can see, they are always going to try and throw these upgrades on your face. If you wish to get the cheapest flight possible, it's very important to always click continue without upgrading. So usually all you have to do is scroll down and click continue without accepting the upgrade that they offer. As long as you make sure that you don't opt in for any extras, you will be able to save money on your next Ryanair flight. When choosing the seats as well, you can look for the cheapest seats available. As you can see, the ones on the front cost up to 13, so make sure that you always look for the cheapest ones available. Once again, click continue and just follow through the process. Again, they are throwing upgrades at our faces, and all we have to do is select no thanks and continue. This will make sure that we don't get any of the extras or bonuses that they offer, and we will be able to save on our flights. Once you click continue, just follow through until you get to the review and pay window. I hope I was able to help you on how to get cheap Ryanair flights. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.